Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of how to use Instagram. If you haven't already watched the part 1 of these series, then make sure to go to our channel and check that one out. But if you have, then welcome to this video. I already showed you how you can follow other people on Instagram, how to make an account, and how to check out their stories or their posts. But now I'm going to show you how to make content. So go to your Instagram profile and just tap on the plus icon at the upper right. And here you would have the option to create reels, post, story highlight, live, or guide. But we're just going to focus on story and post. So for example, you want to post a 24-hour long video on your stories, then just tap on story. And here you would have the option to record a video right now. And here are the filters that you can use, or you can also just upload a picture or a video. So right now I'm just going to upload a picture, for example this one. You can adjust the size by dragging and holding the picture. I'm just going to pinch it to make it smaller. And then if you want to add stickers, just tap on the second icon at the top. Scroll down a bit, and here are the stickers you want to use. You can also just search, for example, New Year. And it is going to give you these stickers. Just going to use this one. Happy New Year, guys, by the way. It's 2023. And I can also add some text by tapping on the text icon at the top. And just edit it however you'd want. For example, change the font right here. When that's done, I can just drag it wherever I want, and it should be good to go. Once that is done, just tap on your story and it will automatically be uploaded to your story so that your followers could see any updates that's going on in your life. So right now, I'm just not going to post this because I'm not interested in posting a story. So I'm just going to discard that. And I'm going to show you how you can post a picture into your homepage and your profile page. So just tap on the plus icon again, tap on post. And you're currently set to post, so that's good. Just choose whatever picture or video you want to post. I'm just going to, for example, this one. Tap on next when that's done. And here you can just choose any filter you want on it. I'm just going to choose this one. You can even edit it, adjust the brightness a bit, contrast, and even the structure. And when that's done, just tap next. And here I can write whatever caption I want. For example, Happy New Year again. I can also tag people, just tag friends, add location or add music. And once that is done, just tap on share, and that will automatically be uploaded to your homepage so that your followers could see, and also to your profile page so that people can see the post when they visit your profile. Well, that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.